In the last decade, India has witnessed remarkable progress across various domains, paving the way for a brighter future. Odisha, a state teeming with diversity and unique demographics, has had a similar trajectory. It is home to around 25% of its population belonging to various tribal communities and holds the distinction of having the highest number of tribes in India. These tribal communities have a rich cultural heritage and contribute positively to the social fabric of the state. While they've preserved age-old traditions that connect them to their roots, these communities have also faced challenges in various aspects of life. Over the last 2 decades, the government of Odisha has championed several inclusive, community-driven development initiatives. Along with the central government schemes, the state has launched its own result-driven flagship programs to improve low-lying development indicators across domains including literacy, livelihoods, and women empowerment. The last 2 decades have been a watershed in tribal health and nutrition in Odisha because of the inclusive pro-tribals policy and increased investment in the state government's flagship programs. Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana has been launched as a path-breaking program to provide universal health coverage with special emphasis on the health protection of economically vulnerable families. Schemes like Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram that entitles every pregnant woman to free delivery in public health institutions, and Mamata scheme that rewards mothers with a cash incentive of 5,000 rupees have emerged as a ray of hope for tribal women and children. Under the umbrella of MSPY, provisions have been made to provide supplementary nutrition to all adolescent girls, pregnant women and expecting mothers, infants as well as undernourished children. Over and above this, take-home ration is provided to ensure that tribal families have adequate access to nourishing and nutritious food. Odisha has also achieved the top rank in the country in the State Ranking Index for NFSA. Under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, the state has made tremendous progress. Despite the significant improvements, there's still a long road ahead to ensure the well-being of indigenous populations. Today, we take the first step towards this noble journey. This workshop brings together experts, policymakers, community leaders with one shared objective: to work collectively towards solving the age-old problems faced by Odisha's tribal communities. Together, let's strive for a healthier and more nourished future for Odisha's tribal communities.